go. 1, 2 instances, keeping it light. RDS sleeping, everything tight. Emails go out, payments flow. Maps low fast, yeah, life was slow. Year 2, more apps, more zones, more rules. Different regions, different compliance tools. Docs and Notion, Slack threads deep. Did we deploy that? Nobody sleeps. Year 5, now it's chaos on repeat. 10 projects talking, none of them speak. One fixed shipped here, forgot one there. API limit hit, alarms everywhere. AI credits gone, Stripe screaming loud. When that was all due on the same damn cloud. Logs and 10 tools, blame in the air. Auditor asked who approved this where?
Who's got control when the systems collide? Who remembers what you deployed last night? From the noise to the signal, from panic to calm. I don't chase the chaos, I fly the command. DevInfraPilot, taking the wheel. One view, one truth, yeah, this is real. From deploy to audit, from risk to flight. I don't run DevOps, I pilot the night.
This ain't another dashboard full of red. This ain't alerts screaming you dead. This is memory, written in time. Who did what, why, tracked in a line. Run books talking, step by step. Live output, no guessing left. Timeline's clear, history clean. You see the past like a movie scene. No more heroes, no late night fear. If I'm gone tomorrow, I'm still here. Context attached to every move. Not vibes, not hope, proof. Infrastructure ain't just code on Git. It's responsibility, every bit. If it runs in pride, it lives in sight. No shadow deploys in the middle of night.
Who's got control when the systems collide? Who remembers what you deployed last night? From the noise to the signal, from panic to calm. I don't chase the chaos, I fly the command. DevInfraPilot, steady and cold. And when infra grows big, memory flows. From deploy to audit, from risk to flight. I don't run DevOps, I pilot the night.
I don't guess, it reads the room. Summarize the run, predict the doom. Here's what broke, here's what's next. Not magic words, real context. Compare the runs, see the drift. Catch the risk before the shift. Ask one question, get one truth. Not 10 tabs deep, chasing proof. 10 projects, 100 services wide. Still one cockpit, one clear sky. Filter sharp, signals clean. Every move logged in between. This is how you scale without losing your mind. This is how you leave excuses behind. Compliance ain't scary when the trail is real. Every action sign with digital steel.
Who's got control when the systems collide? Who remembers what you deployed last night? From the noise to the signal, from panic to calm. I don't chase the chaos, I fly the command. Even for Apollo, remember the name. When info goes wild, I stay in my lane. From deploy to audit, from risk to flight. I don't run defaults, I pilot the night. Fresh picture,
your business, it deserves a record. If it breaks your sleep, it needs a cockpit.